What is up, you guys? It's your boy Z Alpha here, and today, guys, we are going to be yet again reacting to another video. Now, before we get started here, I would like to go ahead and point out that last time I have ever reacted to a video, which, however, that was the iShowSpeed finds a camera and talking on the Venom plush, even though it showed a tad bit copyright infringement. But still, though, that video has gone 576 views at the time I'm currently recording. So, in honor of that, I decided to make a poll of how I'm going to react to the next video, and you. Someone at the door. Sorry about that, guys. That was my one friend wanting to hang out, but anywho, I'm putting back on my headphones here. I would like to go ahead and show you guys really quick. We are going to be reacting to is iShowSpeed by the Parrot. So. Let me go ahead and find it. So, it is in parentheses, a bad idea, which, well, it is a bad idea. But anywho, guys, I'm actually hoping that you guys can actually go ahead and give as many views as the last one. Anywho, guys, as always, the original link is in the description. Make sure you guys check out the original channel, which it's, of course, it is Life of Speedy. That's even in the description also. And other than that, other than that, guys, 3, 2, 1, the clickety clack, we are back.
Oh!
And for some reason, I can't hear my thing here.
You jack!
Okay, there we go.
Oh! You jack! What's up, nigga?
See, yeah, that's good.
Yo! Check the birds! Hold on, wait. Put it in this.
Oh, the birds,
The birds
dude.
are here!
See how they are yapping? Oh, they'll start yapping.
Oh, the birds are here! Oh my god. I miss these birds! Y'all remember the birds? Hey! Shut the Hey! Hey, chill!
They are so damn talkative. He is trying to intimidate them, but then they're just gonna freak out even more.
English! Wait! Hey! Speak English! Speak! Talk!
Got some fruits.
You wanna say hello? Hello? Chat, how do I teach him how to speak, bro?
You gotta play it whenever you go.
Yeah, listen to this one guy right here, dude.
Hey, boy.
They'll get you though, be careful.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
They bite?
Oh, they bite.
No, they don't.
Oh shit.
He trying to get me.
We can try to take one out if you want.
Alright. Yo, chat, should we take one out? Let's take one out.
Free them, yes.
No, I ain't scared. No, I'm not scared.
Yeah, watch the cliche like roll in. Oh my god. Alright, so holy crap. Yeah, watch the cliche on roll in, guys.
Oh shit. Hey boy. Hey boy.
Up, up.
Hey.
There you go.
Oh shit, they're out. They're out.
Oh my god.
Oh, what's good, boy?
Free them? Fry them? What's the... No fucking way. Okay. So very few people in chat is telling them to free them, and then I just see one person right there telling Speed to fry them. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Like, bro, like, say a word. They keep doing that. Why do they keep doing that?
Oh my
Bring,
lord.
hold away. Stay right here. Oh, hold away. Stay right here. I want them to meet somebody. Stay right here. So my cat never met an animal before.
Oh my god.
I want my.
That is those are some cute kitties. Hold on.
So my cat.
Yeah, babe, you might want to check this out. Yeah, I got my girlfriend Todoroki Girl with me.
Never met an animal before. I want my cat to meet an animal. My cat never met an animal before.
Yeah, like I'm getting her at this, like not one cat but two.
Cute cuties.
Yeah, my girlfriend loves cats.
Meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Alright, that's all I wanted to show you. I would imagine that the cats just like randomly attack the birds. Free them. Birds for real. And then Mr. Out of Pocket is Mr. Out of this generation. Like, dude, yeah.
You see the cats? You see the birds? Oh yeah.
He's gone.
Yeah, he's gone.
There goes that Maine Coon.
This guy's more calm.
Look, it's a cat bird.
He's probably like, oh, I'm gonna get eaten
That
by
cat-
that guy.
Uh-oh.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Oh,
I
God.
don't think he cares. Do y'all care? Motherfucker.
That one parrot that said motherfucker.
Chat, since when cats are scared of birds?
Should be the other way around.
Yeah. Alright. Okay, let me see. Alright. Let me bring Nate.
Wait.
Yeah. Alright. Okay, let me see. Alright. Let me bring.
That bird just pooped! Dude, that bird just legit pooped right on his desk. No way!
Lift up.
Nigga, good boy.
How big's his dog?
Oh my lord.
If any little guy.
He'll be starving out there.
Yeah. Come here, boy. I want you to meet somebody.
Not only cats, but a dog.
Look,
Aww.
it's a bird, nigga.
That's a cute dog.
He's like, what is that? So like, I'm not doing it. You gotta feed him something if you want.
Yeah.
I got some peanuts in here, some green beans.
Bro, why are all pets scared of? Why are they all scared?
The birds are just loud, honestly.
Hey, chill up, nigga. Oh, it's cute.
Everyone's scared.
You want a cracker? Hey, nigga, relax, nigga. Hey, boy. Say, I want to teach him how to say the word, nigga. Nigga. How do you teach him? Yeah.
Okay then.
Keep saying it.
Are you repeating all the time?
Nigga.
Put a little radio out in his cage at home.
Oh.
Start learning.
He started learning?
Oh,
It's just like he's just saying like motherfucker.
yeah. The other owner used to curse at him all the time. But they know how to say stuff. Now he has a mouthful of peanuts.
Dog, it's like, what is the food? The bird poop? No, he didn't.
It did poop! I saw it with my own eyes.
Now he has a mouthful of peanuts.
Dog, it's like, what is the food? The bird poop? No, he didn't.
It did poop, honestly.
Shut up. He did not poop.
He's dropping peanuts.
Bird
He dropped
poop.
peanuts everywhere. That's fine. Here. What about this one?
See this one? Yeah.
Come here, baby. Come out. Come on.
Can we look to the side a little bit?
To the side?
Yeah. Maybe not.
Oh, you scared?
You don't want to do it. Yeah, try a smaller stick. Come on, up, up. Up, up. There you go.
Oh, like that.
Don't bite me.
Do it. Oh,
There
that's
you
so
go.
cool. Oh, that's so cool. So when they outside the cage, they don't act all that. They don't act hard. Yo,
They might get a little spooked of a dog. Yeah.
So chat, they don't act like that when they outside the cage. Oh, good boy. Good boy.
They are both boys.
Good boy. Good boy.
Dogs can eat all the crackers now.
Shit, I mean, shit, he can be a good vacuum.
Yeah, right?
You want green beans?
I don't think they like green beans.
You want a green
It's
bean?
except that one
green
right there.
Hey, be quiet.
That dog does not. That dog does not like those parrots one bit.
Okay, so look. My goal today is to teach you. Hey, relax. Oh my. Why does he keep. My goal is today. Stop working. Here, you get out.
They're birds, not humans. Oh my god.
Hey. Nigga, stop. So my goal is today is to teach you how to say a word.
You do a lot of screaming.
They like screaming.
Some of them bark too.
Huh?
They bark too.
Oh, for real, they bark?
Oh, they bark.
They're just staring at them. Even the dog too.
Why they not barking then? Oh, he repeat what you said.
They're smart little guys. I don't know what they're always saying, but they're saying something.
Hey, boys. Nigga, say nigga. Nigga. Say nigga. Oh,
He said, yeah.
nigga.
Oh my god.
Nigga.
He says to give him a peanut. When he says it, don't give it to him yet.
Nigga.
Oh lord.
Nigga.
Maybe no more peanuts because they're not going to talk anymore.
We're not gonna talk anymore? Alright, hey, bro, bro, y'all can't. Nah, bro. No. What are they saying?
Watch your ear and get it piercing.
None of the birds are there. Here. No, go on my arm.
Here, are you sure?
Do that.
Go on the stick. There you go. Good boy.
Push right up with. Yeah, there you go.
There you go. Oh, like a good dreamer, State Farm is here.
Yeah.
Nigga. Say nigga. Say nigga.
I don't think he's
No,
gonna
no.
say it.
Say nigga.
That dog's still barking.
Chat, why they don't say fuck? God damn it. God damn it. Son of a bitch. God damn it.
Okay, and now he's like, okay, now he's swearing like a parrot to those parrots.
Huh? I'm wearing other one. I'm wearing other ones. Maybe for the other one. Hey, calm down, nigga. Calm down now. Oh, you what? You're gonna jump down in the cage? You don't have to be up high?
Up high, it might try to fly.
Oh.
It just like takes off. They're like a bonded gay couple. So
Alright, Tat, what should we do now? Alright, Tat, what should we do now?
I show Zoo called the police. He misspells the N word though.
Oh, with the birds. What should we do now? Bro, stop saying sell the dog. Free in. Bro, keep putting foot up and going to start shaking.
Kiss it.
Oh, they said,
Oh, yeah.
they said if you put that finger up and down, they shake.
maybe some music.
What music? Chat. Take one
Oh
out.
boy.
Oh. Come on. Come on. Come on.
He's like, but there's birds.
Come on.
He just said N-word.
N word.
Give me, bro. Why you? All right, so what do we do now?
Try to get him to dance.
Get him to dance.
I thought they said the N word.
Okay.
Some music.
Some music. Okay.
Giga nigga said make the bird say nigga.
What do you say?
What the fuck, Speed?
It's that time! Stand up! Portugal! We got Mexico! France, England, Brazil, Belgium, Qatar, Germany.
Oh boy. Oh my god.
Let's wake up! World Cup! World Cup! World Cup! World Cup! World Cup! World Cup! World
Oh my god.
Cup! It's time to play football! World Cup! It's time to play football! World Cup!
I thought they were actually singing. Okay, that was kind of wrong there. No, you can't put that on the chat, honestly.
Oh, hey, hey. Chat. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Hey, like, bro. Hey, keep screaming. He ain't dancing. He's yelling for help. Oh, it's saying help.
saying help, they'll be jumping off this thing. They're good.
Yeah, shut up. Good. How do I pet it though? No.
How would you pet it? They're not using the pet. They're just used to stick training on the sticks and stuff like that.
Nigga, 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 nigga.
Nigga said kill them with one stone seed and work.
Nigga. 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 Nigga.
How many times
Nigga.
is he gonna
Nigga.
say that, honestly?
Nigga. Nigga. Ooh. What'd you? Nigga. 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 Yeah. Ugly? I'm not ugly. You ugly. Ugly ass? Like, it's not like they say, like, that yarning and that. 4 grams. Ugly. Ugly, ugly, ugly. Cook them in this. Cook them in this. Bro, I'm not cooking them on the. Shut up, bro. Want a green bean? There you go. There you go.
Alright, good.
Want a green bean?
There's a messy bird, to tell you that much.
Good stuff. Good stuff.
Genuinely, I have like no other words for this one, honestly. I think that'll be pretty much it for that, but you know.
You say the same stuff. Ugly ass, ugly ass, ugly ass. And you scream and you say weird shit. And ugly ass. There you go. Damn, they love peanuts. They love peanuts more than anything. And y'all barely get the peanut. Bite it. There you go. Oh, god damn it. You almost
Oh
got me.
God! He told you they bite,
You
man.
almost got me. Here, get the peanut. Yeah.
Yeah, it just jabbed the whole damn thing down its beak.
Good boy.
Here you go. I got him there.
I think they're. You gotta do it like this. Here we go. There we go. Come on, bro. I know you want one more peanut. I know you want one more. You gotta get one more peanut now. There you go. Come on, bite it. Get that boy. Oh, wait.
Oh,
Let's go
boy.
to PSG.
PSG's down one.
Uh-huh. Now I want to get the other one.
It might be full off.
Yeah, they're full.
Yeah, I think they do.
Alright, Tap. Well, that's enough for the bird, man. Let's wrap these boys up.
You got him in.
Play the Quran?
Yeah.
How about?
Let me try to pull him in here. Come on. Oh, like that. Okay. Oh.
There we go.
W, chat! W! Alright.
Get down here.
Wait, what's this? I'm gonna play a Quran. Kiss them? What the fuck? Lock them up? That's what Speed is already doing, dude. Oh my god. Now that is the next YouTube thumbnail right there. Exactly, right here. And I will also remove my webcam just for this exact moment right here. Alright. Hope my editing got that.
Alright, bye, boys. I wish one day, One day I will teach y'all.
But the title says he buys a parrot. Bro, about to make a zoo into a house. Yeah, no shit, bro. Good. He said, "Cuidado, cuidado." Watch out, in Spanish.
Why is her tongue like that? One day I will teach y'all the N-word, okay? All right? All right, man.
Good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Alright, cool.
All right. Man, shout out to my man's Blake, bro.
Appreciate it.
For coming in, my guy. You want it? Bro, y'all don't even want the peanuts, bro. I think they're full.
And they are
One
full.
more in there.
They're probably done.
Okay, yeah. I got it. All right, chat. W's. All right, bro.
Alright.
Alright,
See you later.
See you, dog.
Alright, so that was it for iShowSpeed buys a parrot. Even though in parentheses that shows as a bad idea, but at the same time, you know, that one time whenever the parrot actually pooped, oh god. Anywho, guys, let's say 3 likes, and I will react to another iShowSpeed video. And that can probably mean I can react to something else actually funny. I mean, that video right there is good. But in my own... sorry about that. But in my own opinion, though, I would like to react to something funny. So after I go ahead and upload this video right here, I will go ahead and create a second poll. And it'll have this video, and this video right here, all on the poll. So you guys better vote if you guys are ever watching this far. Comment hashtag speed if you guys haven't made it this far in the video, which it is the ending after all. Which again, guys, that video link is in the description. You guys can always check out Live Speedy, which basically it's a live stream archive of iShowSpeed. That link is also in the description as well. And as always, guys, hope you guys do enjoy. As always, comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.